Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today's session is Max. Ria has 5 pencils. Her mother gave 2 more. How many pencils does Ria have now? See children, we have to count this. Ria has how many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 pencils. Her mother gave how many? 1, 2, 2, right? Now, already Ria has 5 pencils. After 5, what will come? 6, 7. Now she has 7 pencils totally. Okay. Raja has 4 chocolates. His friend gave him 2 chocolates. How many chocolates does Raja have now? See children, count this 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally there are 4 chocolates. And his friend gave 2 more. Here already 4 chocolates it is there. And then after 4, 5 and 6. The total number of chocolates are 6. There are 6 children in a playground. 2 more join. How many children are there now? Count this. How many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 children in a playground. Now 2 more children are joining. So after 6 what will come? 7 and 8. Now totally there are 8 children. There are 3 apples in a basket. Joe's father bought 5 more. How many apples are there now? See children, now in this basket there are 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. And Joe's father bought how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 more he bought. Now we are going to count. Totally how many apples are there? See here 5 in the mind, 3 on the fingers. Okay. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So totally we have 8 apples. See here there are 3 apples. Here there are 5 apples. The bigger number is 5, right? 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. How we are getting this 8? See children, 5 is the bigger number. We have to keep this bigger number in our mind. And 3 is a smaller number. So we have to leave 3 fingers. So what is this? Plus. Plus is the sign of addition. Plus is the sign of addition. 5 in the mind, 3 on the fingers. Now, when we are counting each and every number forward, we have to close our finger one by one. Okay, now 5 in the mind, right? 5 after 6 will come. You close one finger. Okay, after 6, 7. Again, another finger you have to close. 7 after 8. Now close the third finger. Now, what is the answer you got? 8 is the answer. Totally, there are 8 apples. See children, we got the answer by adding these two numbers. Which two numbers? This 3 and 5. Okay, 3 plus 5, we got 8. Counting these two numbers forward are called addition. We are counting these two numbers forward. Okay. After numbers, we are counting, no? Forward counting. We are doing. That is called addition. And today I am going to teach you a chapter called addition from number 1 to 19. See, what is this? Addition facts. Here 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Here whichever number, maybe 2 or 3 or 5, whatever number it is, whichever number we add with 0. We add with 0. The same number only we will get as the answer. For example, you see 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Because the same number only we are getting here. Because 0 has no value. Okay. 0 has no value. 0 means nothing. Okay. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 only. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 only. 3 plus 0, 3. Okay. Whichever number we are adding with 0, we will get the same number. And then see here. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Already I told you, whichever number we are adding with 0, we will get the same number. Okay, here 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Only will come. Here 0 plus 8 is equal to 8 only will come. Whichever number we are adding with the 0, the same number will come because 0 has no value. See here, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 because 0 has no value. If you add two zeros, the same 0 only will come. Now, add by making 10. See how many balls are there? 5. Here 6. 5 and 6 make how much? We don't know. Let's find out. See 5 plus 6. 6 in the mind because 6 is a bigger number. So 6 in the mind and 5 in the fingers. 5 on the fingers. Now 6 after, close one by one. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now you've closed 5 fingers, right? Now finally we got answer 11. See children, here in this 11, we have to take 10 away from this 11. Okay. That is, see these balls, I took 10 balls away from this 11. So there is 110. Okay. 10 balls is equal to 110. Understand? 10 balls is equal to 110. So this is called 110. And remaining, how many ones are there? Only 1 1. See 110 and 1 1. Okay. 5 and 6 make 110 and 1 1. Now this is another example. See there are orange circles and blue circles. Okay. Here 7 and 6 make how much? Let's find out. 7 plus 6 is equal to 7 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We are closing each and every finger. Okay, finally we got 13. See children, here we are going to 13. No, 13 is the answer, right? Here I am taking 10 circles away. In this 13, I am taking 10 circles away. The 10 circles makes 110. Okay, the 10 circles makes only 110. Okay, now the answer is 110 and remaining how many circles are there? You count 1, 2, 3. These 3 are called ones. Okay, 3 ones we have to write. And then see here how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles. And here how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 3. 8 and 3 make how much? Okay. 8 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to how much? Let's find out. 8 in the mind. 3 in the fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. Now 1, 10 and 1, 1. That is the answer. See how it is 110. We are taking from this 11, we are taking 10 circles away. That is one group. Okay, 10 circles makes one group. That is 110. And remaining, how many ones are there? 1, 1. Okay. Now, see the heading. Add by counting forward. Here, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 flowers. And here you see how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. 7 plus 5. Already I told you, plus is the symbol of addition. 7 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. We are counting forward number. That is 7 in the mind, 5 on the fingers. 7 after, leave 5 fingers and close one by one when you are counting forward number. Okay. Now, 7 in the mind, 5 on the fingers. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Finally, you got answer 12. See, this is another example. 8 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. Okay. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the answer finally you got? 12. And this is next one. 3 plus 8. See, already I told you children, we have to keep the bigger number in our mind and leave 3 fingers. 8 in the mind, 3 on the fingers. Now 8 after, close one by one. 9, close a finger one by one, you have to close. 10, 11. Finally you got 11. See the heading, addition facts. 11 plus 2 is equal to. See, 11 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 11 after, 12, 13. Finally, you got 13. 12 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 12 after, 12 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 12 after, you have to close each and every finger when you are counting forward number. 12 after, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then the last one, 13 plus 5. 13 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. 13 after, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What is the answer finally you got? 18. See children, this is your home assignment children. First question is 8 plus 8 is equal to. You have to keep 8 fingers, 8 in your mind and 8 on the fingers. You have to leave 8 fingers and you have to add by counting forward numbers. And then second one, 13 plus 5. Here also 13 in the mind, 13 is the bigger number, right? 13 in the mind, 5 on the fingers. Okay. 13 after, what will come? Like that you have to find out the answer. And then third one, 16 plus 0. I already told you whatever number we are adding with 0 value, the same number only we will get as the answer. Okay. And then fourth one, 12 plus 4. Bigger number is 12. So keep 12 in your mind and leave 4 fingers. After 12, what will come? You have to close each and every finger. Okay. Finally, you will get the answer. Thank you, children.